Welcome to week 5 of the course. In this week, we will formally wrap up our first unit on ethical and responsible leadership. As you may recall from your Johnson readings on this topic, one of the first steps of stepping out of the shadows and becoming a more responsible leader is to look inward at one's character. This week will be devoted to investigating this step further. As part of this process, you will also have the opportunity to learn about and promote your own character development. Another focus of this week is on exploring the relationship between organizational culture and ethical leadership, as well as the importance of fostering an ethical organizational climate in this process. The task for this week will consist of reading Chapter 3 of the Johnson text, which is focused on the role of character and responsible leadership practices. You will then have the opportunity to evaluate and reflect on your own character strengths through the completion of assessment offered through the VIA Institute. The video provided here provides more background on this resource. You will then need to read Chapter 10 of the Johnson text, which will address the second main topic of this week, organizational culture and building an ethical organizational climate. There will be 3 discussion topics pertaining to this reading that you will need to respond to, as displayed here. Your last task for this week will be to complete a 4th discussion topic, which consists of responding to questions about a case study on Providence Healthcare. The written case can be found in your Harvard course pack materials, which you hopefully have purchased access to at this point. If not, refer to the Start Here Required Resources section of the Moodle page for further details on how you can purchase this information. As you will soon see, this case brings together the key concepts covered this week on character, culture, and ethical leadership. You may also find it helpful to draw from the content from prior weeks as well as other outside resources in responding to this and other discussion topics. That wraps up the introductory video for this week. I wish you the very best in completing these tasks.